Okay, welcome to this very quick walkthrough demo of the members area at Total Traffic. Just want to show you what you're getting in here and how easy it is to follow. So when you log into the members area, you will come to a page like this. Welcome video from me is here. What you've got in here is the opportunity to register for your free 1 hour plus of training with a 7-figure super affiliate that comes as one of your bonuses. You've also got access to our YouTube channel, which gives you additional training, and also our exclusive Facebook group, which is only for people that have made a purchase through the Elite Tigers group. And that includes direct weekly training with me once a week. And underneath that, you've also got a video welcome from Roberto, my launch partner. Then you just work your way through the training on the left hand side of the members area. So you've got the overview of the product here, and then nice and straightforward really, folks. All you've got after an introduction is each of the 15 free traffic methods explained for you one after another. So you just go through the videos in order and learn each of the training methods, hours of training there for you in each one. And then you've got your resources, which is a whole set of over 50 products, a huge bundle of products, over 50 different products that cover pretty much every type of teaching in affiliate and internet marketing that you could possibly want. You know, absolutely everything is in there that will enable you to start your online business as soon as today. We've got a conclusion to wrap things up. Your bonuses are all in here, and if you missed any upgrades, they're in there. We may even have some unadvertised bonuses for you. So all nice and compact, easy to follow training, so don't have any qualms about, you know, taking this if you're brand new to internet or affiliate marketing. Everything that you could possibly need to succeed online is contained within this product, and all of the additional training and resources that come with it. So I hope very much that you will jump on board, and I look forward to seeing you inside this members area in just a few minutes from now.